chapter 11 is along about the 11.2. You are going to learn about Venn diagrams, universal set, complement of a set, and subset. Okay, so there's an introduction only. So what is meaning now? I'm going to open new page here in order you can understand. Okay, so firstly you need to know what is meaning of a Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram is a set. You need to know what is a set, huh? So let's say lah, set A. I make a bigger little bit, huh? Okay, you can see or not? Okay, see, huh? Okay, here, huh? So what is a Venn diagram, right? I need to give you one example of where are you going to get? Get from somewhere. Where is it? From here. Okay, I'll give you one example from here. Where is it? Subset. Okay, universal set. First, you need to know what is universal set here. Universal set. Okay, universal set have a symbol like this. Okay, symbol like this. You need to know how to universal set. Is the whole thing you are going to talk. Is the topics, huh? Of the this one, of the going to talk, huh? Okay, subset is a universal set here, symbol like this. So you need to practice this symbol. Okay, I need to draw like H, something like this. Oh, no easy, huh? Okay, so that means you are going to have something. Okay, something like this. Okay, too big. Okay, something like this. You need to practice more in order you can write more. I'm going to write on the computer screen, so not easy, huh? Because too small, cannot. Okay, so it's a C. We symbol is C in Roman. This one is another. So I'm going to talk about this one subset. No, universal set 全套 OK 全套讲什么呢 I'm going to talk about the universal set here. So what is meaning here? I think is universal set. I'm going to talk about this one 10 multiple of 10 lah, until before 100. Okay, less than 100, multiple of 10 before 100. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, 80, 90. So this one is going to talk today is about this one is that is meaning we are going to talk about this figures only in this so 全套这个是全套来的。So what is meaning now we are going to learn this one that is introduction only. You just to get know about know it. Okay, to know about universal set. We are going to talk about this one. So E is that means is going to be E. E I'm going to talk is 10 and 90. Okay, let's see like this. Okay, we got E is all are in the universal set. Okay, cannot talk outside the set. Okay, universal set. Okay, go to the third one. F. Let's say F lah. Give the answer is F. Talking about the 10, 30, 50, 70, and 90. This one is a question. Okay, question is given in the set universal set and set E and set F. Okay, now the question asking for draw a graph, draw a diagram. Okay, draw a Venn. We call this one is a Venn diagram. Okay, using info below. Okay, so we are going to talk about this one. So what is meaning now? We are going to talk about universal set. Usually we are going to use the square or rectangle or square. Okay, this one universal set. Okay, at the side you need to draw. Need to write down universal set symbol. The symbol of universal set. You need to write down as the universal set. Huh? Okay, now you are going to see, yeah. Okay, that's all. Huh? So you need to write down universal set. Usually universal set is represented by a square or rectangle. Huh? The others can be using the others. You must be, huh? Universal set must be represented by a rectangle or square. Okay, cannot use uh, the others shape. Okay, and set inside there you usually using oval or square. No, circle. Okay, oval or circle like this. We call this one. Uh, we make it bigger a little bit. Not enough. Hey, wait for a while. So I think is O 10 and 19 is a subset. E is subset F because 10 and 19 is all are in the F also. So you can see 10 and 19 is also exist in set F. OK， 这个10跟90这个两个元素都有在 F 的里面的元素里面哈，所以说是它 subset。OK， 我今天有学过 subset。OK， 意思在里面。So what is meaning we are going to have draw maybe using the others figures usually we are going to use an oval or circle. Okay, this one is so now we need to label this one inside here is F E. This one is E. E is a subset of F. Okay, so subset. So almost will be the F. Okay, we could label this one is F. So we label this one. After that, you need to insert every single number inside here. Okay, inside here 34 today. So universal set you can see introduction just to know about this one 4 things I already mentioned. Venn diagram, we call this one Venn diagram. This one symbol is a universal set. It's a subject okay, to be taught to in this particular question okay, not going to talk outside of the segment element outside of the element in the universal set. So now 10 is belong to E or F. No, it's inside here. It's in the section here. You need to notice that if you're going to say it's an element, you have dot there. Dot in front the element. Alright, if now there is not dot in the dot before the element, there is a number of element in the particular set or particular region. OK， 就是说如果没有点在前面意思说它是多少个元素在里面。如果点在那边呢，意思说有一个点在前面，意思说大概是属于其中一个元素OK， so 10 20 is outside. That is not belong to F and E also. So outside no, it's still in the universal set but outside of the E and F. That's meaning we are going to have you need to have a dot. That is meaning you need to have a dots before the other one. So 20. Okay, 30 is a F. Okay, 30 is belong to F. So that is meaning F here. Okay, that is meaning you need to understand F. Yeah, that is 30. So you need to understand you have a dot before the one. Don't forget 30 is only for F only. 40 is not belong to any other any E that is not belong to the E and F. Okay, that is meaning 40 is the outside of the set E and set F. Okay, that is meaning proper going to proper to how to say that proper is that is meaning is going to 40 you see. Okay, 50 is belong to E F only, not going to belong to E. Okay, not going to belong to E. So that is meaning this one is a 50. Okay, so okay, the 50. Okay, so anything. Okay, now we are going to have another one is you need to understand that you have 50 60. Now 60 is not as good from as is not the element of E or F, so that is not belong to E and F. That is meaning we are going to have this one we call of this one. Okay, now you need to know about this one. Okay, after that you need to understand. Okay, 50 60 now. 60 70 is belong to the F. Okay, uh, 70 80 is outside, so I go here. So that means you are going to see. Okay, 80 now. 90 is belong to E and F also, so it's here. It belongs to here. Okay, a little bit harder to get it, huh? Okay, now you need to understand what is in here. Okay, that is meaning is 90. Okay, so you already complete the element inside the all element inside the that is meaning inside the Venn diagram. We call this one is a this diagram we call is a Venn diagram. Is discovered by Venn, the name of scientist name or mathematician names as Venn. Venn. Okay. So no, I don't know who is she or who is he. Okay. So now we are going to now we are have already known about the know only know about the universal set and Venn diagram. Now we are going to know about subset. Okay, you notice that E is a subset of F. So subset, we are going to subset is going to be subset. How to write down that? You write down is E is the E element. The element in the E. The set E is a subset. Okay, it's subset of in to the F, because all element in the E exist in F. Okay, so it's a left hand over there. Haven't finished all. Okay, so haven't taken the one attendance Okay, one left already. I don't know who. Okay, now it's going to you already know this one Okay, now you already subtract this one with subtract. That's meaning E is all element in the set E exist in element in set F. There is no about this one. Okay, so go for this one. What is a complement of? Okay, okay. Now we are going to say about complement of F. Okay, complement of F. We complement of F. We are going to go this one complement of F. We write down like this. I need to write down. In order you know understand. Okay, this one is subset. Okay. I need to write down in order you understand. E is a subset of F. Okay, is subset of F. Complement of F. Okay, okay. Complement of F. we write symbol as like this. You need to understand what is that? F prime. Yes, you are going to F prime. That's in complement of it. F OK， 就是 F 的补充。除了 F 的东西全部写出来。OK，that's meaning here. So complement of F, you need to write down the complement of F beside this one beside 10, 30, 50, 70, and 90. OK， 除了10、30、50、70、90，其余的在 universal set 全部凑起来。就说有20的 20, 40, 60, and 80. Okay, do you understand or not? If you're going to say as a complement of E, let's say that means we can you can simplify the symbol as E prime. E prime. E prime, we call this one E prime. That means complement of set E. Okay? So complement of set E. So what is meaning? We are going to beside the element of inside the set B, all are written down. Okay? Beside 10 and 90 lah. Okay? 10 and 90. That's meaning we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This one is going to be say about this one. What is saying? So you already know about the what is meaning when universal set. Venn diagram like this. Universal set is going to use the rectangle or square. The other inside set inside here you most probably going to use the oval or circle. You can use the others other shape beside rectangle or square Okay. Inside here cannot use rectangle or square. Only the universal set using rectangle or square. Okay. So be careful Okay. So it's an important thing for you to understand So another one is subset. Okay. That means E is a subset of F. Okay. But okay, we call it but. Wait. But okay. But what is the but? That's meaning F is not the subset. Okay. F is not the subset of using this symbol. No. F is not subset of E. Sorry this one F is not the subset of E. Okay. E is subset of F, but F is not the subset of E. Okay. Because of the element of EF does not all element in the set F does not exist in set E. Okay. So it's not subset. Okay. That is meaning of subset or not the subset. And complement of set. Okay. Complement, we are going to use the symbol F prime or E prime. Okay, that is in complement of E or complement of set F. Okay, using this symbol, you need to understand there is no wording there. Just use the symbol F prime. Okay, you need to understand F prime is refer to the complement of set F. Okay, there is meaning here. Enough. Okay, you already know